If I say up, you say down. If I say left, you say right. If I say stop, you say go. You all have oppositional defiance disorder. How come when we think we're human beings that love to connect with each other, everybody says the same answer? If I say I don't want to hear another peep out of you, there you go. You walk into a store, you're looking for an article of clothing. The person who's paid to help you comes up to you and says, "May I help you?" And you say, "No, I'm good." And then they walk away and you stand there going, "Why did I just say that? I don't even know what I'm looking for." And then you spend the rest of the time trying to look for the thing you don't know where it is. And if that one associate comes by, you're like ducking underneath. Like just to make sure that they don't see you. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.